3, 4. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, and B is 1, 2, and let's say this is 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then here you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So C will be here. Do you understand this now? 1 minute. This is 1 and 2, 2 point minus 1.6. Okay, wait. 1 and 2 and 1.6. Okay, and this is 1.5. 1 point. Wait. अच्छा 4.2. This is 4.2. यहाँ तक 4.2 होगा, ठीक है, let's say. और यहाँ तक कितना होगा? This should be 1.5. यहाँ तक आना चाहिए. अब my figure पहले मैंने exactly बनाई थी, लेकिन now let's try to do it exactly. अब समझ आई? You got it? How I drew the vector? The second one is B minus 1.6. ये let's say this is 1.6 and this is 2.9. This is 2.9. So it's somewhere here. Okay, this is B. And C जो है it only has a y component. The x component is 0. यही बात कह रही थी आप? Okay. So x axis पे there is no component. Y पे it's minus 3.7. Let's say up till here. ठीक हो गया? Do you understand it now? Okay. Now your task is to find the resultant vector. How will you find the resultant vector for this? What will be the method you will use? You will use the method of components of vector. So the formula for that is Rx is equal to Ax plus Bx, but we have 3 components or we have 2 components, so it's fine. So Ry is equal to Ay plus By. Please use this formula and find the resultant. But we have 3, so this will be plus C plus Cx plus Cy. Is that clear? The first step is we represented them like this to make it easier for ourselves to understand the problem. The second step is you identify the formulas that you have to use. The third step will be you will put the values and find Rx and Ry. Is that clear? So please do it. When you finished it, raise your hand. What's the value of Rx? Raise your hand. I'll give you a point. 2.6. Explain how. इधर देख के, बोर्ड पे देख के. एक मिनट. ओके. Rx is equal to, बताओ. 4.2 मीटर. I minus 1.6 मीटर. अभी हम मैग्नीट्यूड सिर्फ ले लेते हैं. माइनस 1.6 meters. This is equal to 2.6 meters. 2.6 meters. So this is the answer. Okay, you get 1 point. अब Ry कौन बताएगा? नहीं, बस अब मैं किसी और से पूछती हूँ. आपका नाम क्या? बिलाल. So 1 point. Okay, who will explain Ry? Yes, बताओ. एक मिनट. Ry is equal to minus 1.5 meter plus 2.9 meter minus 3.7 meter. The answer is minus 2.3 meters. This is Ry. So Fareed gets 1 point. तुम्हारा नाम फरीदुद्दीन है. Okay. Right. अच्छा. Who will tell me the answer for R? What's the answer for R? Okay. Yes, your name is Alina. Can you explain? R is equal to? Tell me the formula. R is equal to? Rx plus Ry in terms of vectors. Okay, tell me for the magnitude. Magnitude कैसे निकालेंगे? नहीं, आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो. यू गेटिंग, दैट्स फॉर द एंगल, नॉट फॉर द मैग्नीट्यूड. वो एंगल निकालते हैं उससे. ठीक है. यस, सोच लो, दोबारा सोच लो. इट्स फाइन, यू कैन आंसर अगेन. ओके. हाउ विल यू फाइंड द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ आर? हाँ बोलो. हाँ, आप जल्दी ना करो, आराम से पहले अपनी कॉपी पे सॉल्व किया करो, फिर बताया करो. राइट. ओके, यू आर ऑलमोस्ट देयर. यस यस.
rx square plus ry square into.
Okay, so this will be rx squared plus ry squared under the root. So what is rx squared? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Moaz. So what is rx squared? 2.6 squared plus minus 2.3 squared. ये सब मीटर है. So what's the answer? 3.5 meters. ये r हो गया. Now you can tell me the angle. Alina, do you want to try? Moaz, let me see. Where's your name, Moaz? ये. Okay, Alina. अच्छा करो. ये अलहदा था और ये हम काम अलहदा कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. So now we are talking about the angle. हाँ, तरीका बताओ. What's the formula? Theta is equal to tan inverse. Very good. So this is equal to tan inverse. क्या था वहाँ पे? minus 2.3 meter divided by 2.6 meter. So this is, the answer comes out to be minus 41 what? Very good. Is that clear? Any problems? Any questions? So Alina gets 1 point. Alina, Khalid. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, just as we are talking about angle, I would like to draw your attention to the unit of angle, because we have an emphasis on units since we started from chapter 1. So, what's the unit for angle? मेरा वो कहाँ गया? What's the unit for angle? Huh? 2.6 minus 2. Oh, sorry. Very good. It means you're paying attention, है ना? Okay, ठीक है. Very good. Yes. What's the unit for angle? The unit for angle is, come on, raise your hand. I'll give you a point. The unit for angle is, come on, guys. Raise your hand. You'll get a point. Radian. कौन बोला है? Yes, डर क्यों रहे हो? So what's your name? Anam. Very good. Radian is the SI unit for angle, but there is another common unit that we use. What is that? Degree. Normally we use degrees, but the SI unit is radians. The scientific unit is radians. Can you tell me the definition of radian? Or can you tell me how we can change degree into radian and radian into degrees? What's your name? Anam. Okay, I'll give you a point, but try to explain it also. Anam is, where is Anam? Yes. Okay, I've given you the point. You can relax, but I would like an explanation. Who can explain it? How can you change degree to radian and radian to degree? Let me write the homework, okay, before we end. The homework is study chapter 3, and also remember this homework is ungraded, but I am going to give you a graded homework which I will upload on the 14th. You remember I uploaded the assessment plan on Moodle. I also showed it in the class. We discussed it in the class, and according to that assessment plan we will upload the homework which will be graded on Moodle, and you will solve it on Moodle. Okay, so that will be from chapter 1, 2 and 3. Is that clear? After that we will have a quiz. After the homework, we will have a quiz again from chapter 1, 2 and 3. Is that clear? हाँ जी,
इसका आपने कहा था
डेट अनाउंस करें, बताओ कौन सी डेट होनी चाहिए, खोल के बताओ। मूडल पे ही होगा, मूडल पे होगा तो आप घर से भी कर सकते हो, क्लास में क्लास ही होगी, ठीक है। आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू मिस द नंबर ऑफ क्लासेस, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आपको पता है हम लोग आधा दिन आ रहे हैं, आधे आ रहे हैं, यू नो, सो आई थिंक इट्स बेटर कि आप उसको उस पर कर लो, राइट।
20th के बाद
देखो ना, होमवर्क आपका
14 to 20th होमवर्क है,
उसके बाद रख लो,
23 मंडे,
23 मंडे, ठीक है। सो नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी क्या है हमारी आफ्टर द होमवर्क? हमने क्या लिखा था वो दिखाओ जरा, वो पिक्चर कहाँ थी हमारी? हाँ, होमवर्क 2 तो बाद में हो जाएगा ना, उसमें गैप है, दिखाओ।
होमवर्क 2 है 25th को।
हाँ, क्विज 1 हाँ 25 से पहले रखना चाहिए, जाहिर है। तो बीच में हमारे पास क्या आता है? 23 बन रहा है, छुट्टी तो नहीं है, मंडे है, ठीक है। सो वी विल हैव, दिस इज अनग्रेडेड, ओके, बट फॉर द ग्रेडेड एक्टिविटीज वी विल हैव ग्रेडेड होमवर्क 1 on Monday 23rd November 2020, okay? So please note this down. इसका मैसेज ना ग्रुप में भी कर देना, ठीक है। This activity is graded, this activity is ungraded, this is the quiz 1, and we have a graded homework 1 on 14th till 20th November. Do you see the difference? The homework you have time from 14th to 20th, but for the quiz you have a limited time. Is that clear? Acha, Moodle, you're all using Moodle, you know how to use it, you're fine with it, you're getting all my messages, right? Okay, and for attempting the quiz, you know that you have to sit on your computer with a pencil and a paper, blank notebook, okay, and you will get the questions, you solve them, and then you click the correct answer, A, B, C, whatever it is, and you submit it. Remember to submit it before you close your computer so that I receive it. Is that clear? So that's how you do it. हाँ, अभी मैं बना के बताती हूँ आपको कितनी देर की क्विज होगी, ठीक है। क्विज विल बी टाइम्ड, होमवर्क जो है वो ज़रा यू कैन टेक सम मोर टाइम। अच्छा, फिनिश।